What's up guys? So I'll go ahead and have all the ingredients in the description box, but for our kimbap I'm going to go ahead and slice up a carrot into some matchsticks here. Then I'm going to add the carrots to a bowl, add some kosher salt, and allow it to sweat for about 10 minutes. Also going to go ahead and slice up a cucumber into some matchsticks as well. This is going to be the garnish for our spicy cold noodles. Gonna go ahead and slice up some fish cake into some long strips here, and then mince up some garlic as well. Now for our spicy cold noodles, gonna grab a medium-sized bowl here. This is gonna be our sauce. Very simple, just gonna add our gochujang to our bowl, our minced garlic, some soy sauce, some rice vinegar, some sugar, and then some sesame oil. Gonna go ahead and give that a nice mix until it's smooth, and I forgot to add some white sesame seeds, so gonna go ahead and add those roasted white sesame seeds. Then mix it up and then put it in the fridge until we need it. Okay, and I just have some sushi rice here cooked and cooled off. Gonna go ahead and add a sprinkle of kosher salt, add a drizzle of roasted sesame oil. Gonna gently mix it with my rice scooper here and set it aside. Then in a large skillet on a medium-high heat, gonna add a drizzle of olive oil, gonna add my washed spinach and allow that to wilt on a medium-high heat, mixing it up with my wooden spoon. Gonna add a little bit of kosher salt as well and just give it a nice mix once again until it wilts. Once the spinach is wilted, gonna remove it from the heat and allow it to completely cool off. Now I'm just going to go ahead and build our kimbap. So as you can see, I have my seaweed here. Gonna spread out some rice on the seaweed and then of course just add our filling. So gonna go ahead and add our fish cake and then our radish, carrots, spinach, and then gonna go ahead and roll that up. After rolling up all the kimbap, gonna go ahead and brush some sesame oil all over and then sprinkle sesame seeds as well. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up our kimbap as you can see, and then gonna go ahead and add a large pot on a high heat with some water. Once the water boils, gonna go ahead and add my noodles, allow those to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, remove it from the boiling water, run the noodles under some cold water, add it to a large bowl, then gonna go ahead and add all of our sauce, give it a nice mix, top it up with our sliced cucumber, a boiled egg, and some more sesame seeds, and enjoy. Okay guys, so here's our delicious cold spicy noodles, and as you saw I just have a boiled egg on the top, some cucumber, and then our delicious fish cake kimbap here. Delicious with vegetables, fish cake, spinach. So I am so excited to eat this. It's been a while since I've had some spicy cold noodles. I've been in the mood for noodles, so ooh. Noodles. I was about to blow on it. It's cold. Mmm. Mmm. Sweet, spicy, and refreshing because it's cold. Might need to get my other chopsticks because these are a little bit slippery, but cold noodles. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Spicy. Mm. Pickled radish. And I put extra gochujang. So spicy. But these are so good. One of my favorites. Made these last year. They're so delicious. Ooh, thick. Beautiful. Try one of these kimbap. Let's do this one. Beautiful little fish cake kimbap here. So delicious. Dip it in the sauce here. Ooh, it fell apart. It's okay. Delicious with that sauce. I keep breaking them. There we go. Gotta be more gentle. Ooh, beautiful. Show you guys up close here. The noodles. Eat it with some egg here. To drink, I just have this melon soft drink. It's one of my favorites. Cheers. Excuse me. It's one of my all-time favorite Asian soft drinks. It's so good. Strong melon flavor. Eat some more of this with you. Not gonna finish all of it, but I will eat as much as I can. It is delicious. Gonna have some leftovers for later, especially the kimbap. That'll be delicious. Noodles. Mm. Mm. Delicious. Mm. Eat another kimbap here. Try not to break it open. Ah, it's breaking. It broke. It broke. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Keeps breaking. Gotta eat the broken kimbap. Mm. Eat a few more bites with you and save the rest for later. This is so good. Mm. Saucy. Okay, I'll eat a few more bites and then save this for later. Have lots of leftovers. So, just getting full. Mm-hmm. kimbap. Some of that sauce. Try not to break it. Mm. Go ahead and put these in the fridge for later, and then save this guy for later too. So delicious. Yeah, just like slightly sweet and spicy and cold. It's really good. So, put this over the side. Anyways guys, this was so delicious. Thank you for watching.